Hey everyone, Simon Says Money here. Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'd like to present one small cap biopharmaceutical stock that just came to my attention. We'll be dissecting this stock and see more details if it's a buy, if it's a sell, don't hold, don't buy, and we'll get all into that. But before we begin this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on that bell notification because I do research on the stocks and cryptos to let you guys know on my findings and so we can make money together. As a disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor or CPA. Please use your own investment decision. Without further ado, let's go and begin this video. First off, the overall market was pretty flat today, up 0.08% for Dow futures. Monday, March 29th, 2021, S&P 500 futures up 0.13% and the Nasdaq future up 0.19%. So pretty flat day today. As for individual stocks, we can see that Tesla a little down today, down 1.2% at $611. And let's go through some of my high conviction stocks like NEO at $35. It was down 1.72%. And Palantir is at $21.73, down 3.76%. And also Bitcoin, it is almost back up to $60,000 at $50,626. Strongbridge Biopharma is a commercial stage biopharmaceutical company focusing on the development and commercialization of therapies for rare diseases. Keveyis is an oral carbonic anhydrase inhibitor to treat hypokalemic and related variants of primary periodic paralysis. Its clinical stage product candidates include Recorlev, a cortisol synthesis inhibitor, which is in phase 3 clinical trials for the treatment of endogenous crushing syndrome, and Velderatide, a somatostatin analog that has completed phase 2 clinical trial for the treatment of acromegaly. Taking a look at this site, it's a nice simple layout on the front page. What we are mainly focused on is the product. So let's go ahead and take a look at the product. Let's see what we can find in their portfolio. So rare disease assets, growing portfolio of product. We have Recorlev, the first one that is in phase 3. Not bad. This product, it is in clinical trial. These are global, and this is the US. Keveyis is already marketed. So we have 3 primary products. Let's take a look at the investors overview because there might be some stuff for the investors like the annual meeting, corporate profile, and some good news with the company, with the annual healthcare conference, any results from the testing. So it looks like they are pretty established, well organized, well maintained website. It's been a mediocre week for Strongbridge Biopharma shareholders, with the stock dropping 14% to $2.77 in the week since its latest full-year results. Strongbridge Biopharma reported revenue of $31 million, in line with expectation. But it unfortunately also reported losses of $0.78 per share, which were slightly larger than expected. Strong Phase 3 results application to FDA with answer expected in the next 30 days. Multiple institutions gave it a price target of $8+, including Wainwright and Oppenheimer. Yahoo Finance had 3 strong buys and 2 buys for the stock. TipRanks also gives it a moderate buy at a price target of $9 flat. Some well-known investors increased their holdings on SBBP recently, which is a good sign. There are several 4 and 5 stars investors that has opened or increased their holdings. The insiders, such as the CEO of the company, directors, bought SBBP's share stock recently. TipRanks analyst gives a pretty bullish rating for SBBP. And finally, TipRanks Smart Score gives the current SBBP price a rating of 4, which has a potential to go up based on the other factors. CNN Business gives SBBP share price target between $5 and $10, which is between 200% and 400% of the stock going up. And the CNN Business 6 analyst gives a buy rating. Well, that's all the information I have for SBBP. This is a penny stock, as you can see. Let's go ahead and look at the chart really quick for the SBBP price. So let me go to my chart and then SBBP. Huge down days. Look at this. We can see that on February 16th of this year, 2021, big red day right here. This was a volume of more than $2 million per share. And then also here on March 22nd, 2.4 million shares traded. The high of the stock was $4.26. Now it's at $2.61, down 4.04% today. But look at this huge red candles all the way down, then a bounce back, and then huge red days down. So we could technically, from a technical standpoint, we could be seeing a dead cat bounce slash some support in this area. I can go ahead and draw a nice support here. If the stock continues to go down, breaking the support line, then you know the stock is in trouble. It is below all three moving averages, and as we can see here, and this is just a hit or miss, so very volatile. I just want to let you guys know this is for entertainment purposes only. If you are okay with this kind of risk, then these stocks are for you. This high risk, high returns can potentially make you lots of money, but we could see a little pattern. Maybe a W-shaped recovery could happen for the stock, but based on a technical point, this has a flat line. The support that we're paying close attention to, it could be a little lower like that. But look out for the stock, and that's it for today's video. This is my information I have gathered. If you're into those high risk, high return stock, then this stock is for you. SBBP. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if you are interested in buying this stock, SBBP. What are your thoughts about this biopharmaceutical, really small cap stock? And let me know if you're getting into it. Again, thanks so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.